Hello, my name is Amelie Carrano and this is my video presentation for COMM 310 Creating Online Media Final Project. For this project I decided to create my own resume online with all the information about me and my career. The whole website is based on this logo I created in another class. So the colors and fonts, all the design principles I used to create this logo, I also use it to create this website. So this is the home page with my business card and the logo and menu. I decided to keep it very simple. After that we have the education page with the information about all the courses I did and the things I learned. I also have the skills page with a little information about other skills I have, like multidisciplinary design and graphic and web software. This is the portfolio page with some of my works. I want to improve this page by adding more projects in the future. This is the About Me page, where I say a little bit about me. Let me improve this page a little bit so we can see how it really looks, like this. And this is the Contact Me page, which is a form that you can enter the information and I will receive it by email. It's not working yet, but it will. Here on the footer I have some navigation, secondary navigation, that goes to the home again, and the About page. All the links are working correctly. This is the practice page from the COMM 10 course practice page, and this is the style guide for my website with the colors, the images, the layout, sitemap, wireframes, and fonts. Everything related to the site is here. So this is it. Thank you for watching.